Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Kifs Crypto. Well, I'm back at it. Been away for a few weeks. It is that time of year. August is a good time to take some time away from everything, reset, and get going again for the long winter. But I did have somebody who stood in for me for emergencies, did a great job. I want to thank them. And I'm going to go over some of the main snippets of news for August. Yes, most of you are going to know about them, but I do have a couple of things that you don't know about. One of them, the new BYDFi promotion that we're running. If you're not with them, now is the time to check this promotion out. But without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Okay, so first up, and most of you guys probably know this, why CRO is pumping or has pumped over the last week or so, as you can see over here. Well, on the 26th of July, it was 15 cents and it went all the way up to almost 40 cents. Currently hovering around the 26, 27 cent mark. And the main thing was because Trump Media Group got involved. And Trump Media and Crypto.com announced that they have entered into a definitive agreement for a business combination to establish Trump Media Group CRO Strategy, a digital asset treasury company focused on acquisition of the native cryptocurrency token of the Kronos ecosystem. And that's what basically created the pump. Huge news. I mean, this is massive in terms of Crypto.com's presence, but also for cryptocurrency in general. Expected funding for the digital asset treasury will cost a $1 billion US in CRO, representing 19% of the total CRO market cap as I've announced. 200 million cash, 220 million cash in mandatory exercise warrants with an additional 5 billion equity line of credit from an affiliate of Yorkville. I mean, it is massive news, and it is what has drove the pump. Crypto.com, we spoke about that. We spoke about Crypto.com for a long time on this channel. And we spoke about Crypto.com when they were tiny. Myself and Satoshi Shorn were involved. And yeah, look, it's been one of their projects that I've held on to my CRO. I still have my card. I use it all the time. And it is one of the best crypto projects. And they've done a lot to promote cryptocurrency and to bring it mainstream. And we may be talking about Crypto.com more over the next few weeks. I'm gonna deep dive into them and look at it from perspective of new people to the space. Now, the next big news, obviously, is the Ethereum pump. And as you can see, over the last 3 months, it is up 76%, almost 77%, currently at 4,420. And if you go back to June 22nd, we were down at 2,185. And there's been a huge pump with Ethereum. I sometimes lose faith with Ethereum simply because the fees can be outrageous at times. So what is driving the Ethereum pump? Well, Ethereum's on-chain volume reached a 4-year high of 341 billion in August. And that is because more and more ETFs, as you can see, Spot ETH ETF saw an inflow of 1.1 billion last week compared to a net outflow of 241 million the week before. So yeah, ETH is getting traction. Keep an eye on it. Yeah, it has more to go, I think. And look, this is just a really short recap of things. Obviously, the coin of the week, the chart of the week is going to be CRO, but I wanted to show you this. And this is a very limited time offer, but this is from BYDFi. It is one of our recommended exchanges. There's a couple of things I want to go over here. If you haven't signed up with them and you are thinking about sign up. As you can see, they have huge sign up bonuses at the moment. Deposit $5,000, you can get a $500 bonus. And if you're not new and you already have an account with them, we have a trade and earn ETH, because ETH is the flavor of the month. Well, ETH and CRO probably. And you can earn up to $10,000 in ETH. Now, realistically, you're probably looking at 330 to 800. But that is ETH. It's free for trading. I know a lot of you guys do trade quite heavily on certain other exchanges, but if you want to get hold of this, this runs until the 18th of September. So you got about 13 more days. You might as well trade this, and you might as well grab some free ETH. Now, talking about BYDFi, the BYDFi card is now available. I've applied for it myself. I was approved. Takes 12 to 24 hours. It's super easy. Fill out one little thing of note when you're putting it through. I had issues on the app because it asks for your date of birth and it doesn't allow you to do that on the app. So if you're going to do it, I would recommend doing it in your browser. Obviously, it is supported by Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more. It supports multi-currency, and it is just like any other debit card. You just chop it up, and off you pop. Now, this is the virtual card. The physical card isn't available yet, but it is coming soon, and this is a good start. You don't need a physical card anymore. Anyways, you just get your virtual, add it to your Google Wallet, and off you go. So, guys, that was a quick look at what was happening over the last few weeks in crypto. I didn't go through all the news. I only picked out a couple of things that are important. Yeah, obviously, CRO, you got to keep an eye on that. That's going to keep going. Yeah, we're going to have a pullback. It's going to fall on the market. But, you know, on the longer term, CRO is going to just keep going up. ETH is always, you got your ETH guys, and ETH is always doing its thing. I mean, I have some ETH, but yeah, it frustrates me at times. And if I'm going to build anything, which we are going to be doing, we're going to be building the meme asylum, and that is going to be on base. Don't forget to head over to BYDFi, get involved in that new promotion. I mean, if you're a current member, great. You can get involved in the ETH promotion. If you're not, you can get involved in both. Get the sign-up bonus and get involved in the trading comp. That about does it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments box what you think. If you liked today's video, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Don't forget to head over to trading365.org for all the best and latest cryptocurrency exchange signups. Well, until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.